welcome to Dark Age Growing. I'm Andrew, and this is Calendula. I plan on doing a giveaway this week. Thank you guys for helping me reach 100 subscribers. To 5 lucky winners. I will choose from the comments on this video at random and send out small packets of seed to them. I'm getting a ton out of them, and I know that I won't be able to use them all, but I want to show the wealth. They're an awesome plant, and I will definitely be making a video soon about all the wonderful uses that they have. These are calendula plants from seeds that just dropped off of the seed heads. I didn't get a chance to collect all the seeds out here before they fell, so I know the calendula plant seeds I have are viable and they germinate really good. To enter the giveaway, please leave a comment below in the form of a question. Ask me anything about gardening or chickens, climate, or even about myself. And I will try to answer it either in video form or directly to your comment below. I plan on announcing the winners on Sunday. So, leave your questions below quick, and please subscribe so we can all learn how growing food in challenging times doesn't have to be that hard.